Good morning. So I'm filming this part of the video on July 12th and I actually did my decluttering on the 1st. So basically what had happened was I decided to sell my G3X from Canon, and I did. Hooray! And then I bought this camera, which is the G7X Mark II. Originally when I bought my G3X, I wanted the G7X Mark I, but it was sold out on back order, and I ended up opting for the G3X because I just had no patience whatsoever. And so I bought the G3X in January 2016, and it was a really good camera to me and everything, but it kind of defeated the purpose behind why I was buying a second camera. I wanted a second camera for to be my B-roll basically, but mostly because I needed something that would fit into my purse so that I could carry it around to events and that wouldn't be my cell phone. And this really was the camera I was supposed to get, and it's awesome because I can fit it into most of my purses. The G3X did not fit into most purses. I also am selling my N64 and Nintendo 64 basically, with 4 games, a case, and 2 controllers, and my dresser because I have a plan for my room. I want to get a floor mirror and a smaller set of 2 dressers, I believe, from Ikea, just because they're more practical. I can stick them in my closet. It would kind of be like putting the KonMari method into practice, where I would be putting most of my storage in my closet. I have decluttered most of my closet and there are a couple of containers for me to go through, but for the most part, yeah, there's going to be space for a thin, long dresser in there, and I'm absolutely stoked. So on the 1st, I mostly decluttered books and sentimental items. I actually am not a culprit of keeping many books, as you'll see. I just got rid of loads of notebooks and things from down to elementary school that I probably shouldn't be keeping or shouldn't have kept for this long. And going through it at first was like, I thought I was gonna feel attached to things and I didn't. I kept 6 school projects though, and a couple of things, but it's really this much stuff that I've kept. Absolutely amazing. And then everything else is stationery that I'm gonna use in the future, and it's all there. This is to keep, this is to donate. Well, not this though. No one wants my grad photo. And this is all that needs to be recycled. And here is a pile of papers that mom might use for art and crafts at her daycare. This is empty right now, and this is empty, obviously. Thus far, the recycling has grown to this. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think of this new camera, and I will see you in my next one. I promise I will be doing more makeup related videos again, maybe hair, I don't know. It's just I'm really on this kick where if I get my space looking the way that I want it to, I'm going to be more motivated to film, because I won't have to worry about my background and I could film in any spot of the apartment, which would be insane. The next thing I want to declutter are my PR samples and things. I feel like I'm gonna do that first because I'm gonna wait to do my shoes when I have my long mirror. Yeah. Bye guys.